So Flipgrid might be like the most well-known educational technology tool at this point. It's such a powerful way to capture student voice and have them share their thinking with video. But what I want to share with you is something that I explored recently with a group of ESL teachers looking to create video content that would be super accessible to their students. So what we're actually going to take a look at is Flipgrid Shorts, which is Flipgrid's video creation tool that leverages their Flipgrid camera and all the features of the Flipgrid camera. Now I have another video on that I'll link in the description below. What I really want to focus on is the auto closed captioning and the immersive reader that's built into any video that you create with Flipgrid Shorts. So let's get into the process right now. Once you log into Flipgrid, right across the top menu, don't worry about discussions, scroll all the way over to Shorts. And this is where you can tap the little record button up here and create a Flipgrid short. Now you can see here that I've already recorded one. Now, like I said, Flipgrid Shorts has all the features embedded in the Flipgrid camera. You can pull the whiteboard over, you can ink on the screen, add images, you have a 10-minute recording limit, and when you're done, you can either leave the video in Flipgrid and share it with a link or download it. Now what I want to explore is once you've made the video, let's get in and check a video out, and we'll get into the closed captioning that's auto-generated and the immersive reader. So let's go into this video right now. All right, so imagine you're making some sort of instructional video here. And there's the video that I created earlier, and you can see the closed captions are auto-generated. There it is. You can turn closed captions on and off. So that's super helpful. What you can also do is play this up at a faster speed if you'd like to by tapping on the gear. Now, what I think is exceptionally helpful is the built-in immersive reader. We'll get to that in a second. If the closed captions are not quite right, no problem. You can actually tap on Edit Closed Captions right here. So I'll go to Closed Captions, and notice it has every line broken down line by line with the second marker. You can merge them together if the timing's slightly off, or even just override any of the text if it's not quite right. And then at the bottom, you can save the changes when you're done making any modifications. Now, let's talk about the immersive reader. When students are watching the video, if they need to see the text on the screen in their target language or their native language, and even have it read back in their target language, they can do that. So what we'll do is tap on the immersive reader icon, and notice this entire video is going to toggle over to a text environment where we can play it back.
All right, so imagine that you're making some sort of instructional video.
Right, so that's the text from video directly into text and then presented in English that can be played back. But here's where it can really benefit students that are emerging readers or getting comfortable with English language or English language learners. What we can do is tap on the book in the top right-hand corner, scroll down to translate, and this is what the student can do. They can pick their target language. So say a student is, let's go to Spanish, and they can say, I'd like the whole document translated. And now this is what we end up, right? So we have the Spanish conversion on the top. We have the original version. So we'll go to Spanish and hit play. So that's the immersive reader technology that's built right into Flipgrid. Now, to get back to our video, we'd have to tap the arrow to go back, and now they can continue watching the video. So that's it. Really quick walkthrough of an exceptionally helpful tool, Flipgrid Shorts with auto-generated closed captions and the immersive reader built in.